what causes back pain? Back pain can be caused by many things. For instance, in this model of the lower back or the spine, it can be caused due to things like a disc herniation, one of these things herniating and pinching the nerves, which are these yellow things. It can be due to arthritis in the joints. There are a lot of joints in your spine. And sometimes it could be due to nothing within the spine at all. It could be due to muscles that have a lot of inflammation and tension just from everyday movements. At every level of the spine, there are a lot of muscles that connect through your body, through your lower back, down even into your legs. Inflammation in any of those areas can cause back pain. Now, when some of this back pain is more serious and is caused by a real problem in the spine, that's when a neurosurgeon can really help you out. Whether it's through the right therapy that is very focused for your spine, or through injections or medications, or if needed, a surgery, whether small or slightly larger, that can really help alleviate that back pain that might be coming from your spine. So if you have pretty severe back pain that is not going away after a few weeks, definitely see a neurosurgeon and they can find out what is the best treatment for it.